welcome for another episode for Easy Grub Recipes. I just got some beautiful Brazilian ribeyes for dinner and I figured I might as well make a video out of it. So here's a simple recipe for steak and mashed potatoes with some mushroom gravy. As usual, complete ingredients will be on the description below, but we're gonna need some ribeyes, potatoes, butter, mushroom, some flour, cooking oil, salt and pepper. Okay, now we're gonna start off by cleaning and peeling these potatoes. And then we're going to cut them up into smaller sizes just to make it faster for them to cook. Put them into a boiling pot of water with some salt in it. Now here's our beautiful steaks. Nothing fancy, just salt and pepper. Put some oil in a pan on really high heat. Put in the steaks and don't move them. A general rule for pan frying steaks for me would be 3 minutes per side on a 1-inch thick steak. Flip it over, do another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Take them off the pan and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. By now, the potatoes should be done. Put them into a large bowl and with a fork, start mashing those potatoes. Add in about half a stick of butter, some pepper, and continue with the mixing and mashing until the texture is pretty much smooth. And now for the mushroom gravy. On the pan where we fried the steaks, we're gonna put in a little bit of butter. And some flour. Mix it around and make sure there's no clumps. The mushroom I'm using comes in a can, and they usually come with some mushroom water. And we're going to use that water and put it into the pan. On low heat, just continue to mix them around until the sauce thickens up. Now, if you feel that it's a little bit thick, you can always put in some more water or beef broth if you have some. Once you're satisfied with the thickness of the gravy, you can put in your mushrooms. And it doesn't really take long to cook them. Just give it a couple minutes. Okay, and now we're gonna plate them up. Here's our mashed potatoes. Some of that mushroom gravy. and of course our beautiful ribeye steak. Enjoy! And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.